Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up work mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So first we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for modes and routines here, and here is our work mode. We can customize it a bit. For example, to turn on automatically, we can set up place, we can add our workplace if we want to. When it's connected to the work Wi-Fi, we can set up time period, of course. We can change applications that will be available during our work mode active, and we can also set up custom conditions right here. Don't forget to confirm our choices. We can also change wallpaper so that at a single glance we can tell that our phone is in work mode. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.